What's up, everybody? We're playing gta5 here, and we're gonna go to a private testing. I'm gonna sell some of my races and all that. We're gonna do some races. I'm gonna sell all my race cars, or the ones I like to use to race. Like I went through like a whole entire thing just sitting here switching over my cars. I got bought me 2 garages and 1 house. I really don't see the point in needing over 2 houses. I mean, I know you can do it on gta5, but when we were playing on first over PlayStation 3 because I ain't got PlayStation 4 yet. Yeah, I know I'm late to get it, but that's what happens. So yeah, we're gonna be playing some gta5 here. We got to start out my house. I don't know. We don't want to have my mic on right now. Well, that's what we're gonna be doing. No, sorry, I don't start my house. I'm gonna start.
What a beautiful machine.
I'm working on a phone here, y'all. I ain't got my cameras yet.
You calling for some wheels? I'm Johnny on the spot. I'll hook you up. Aight, I'll get back to work.
So yeah. So I found a cab right now.
Thanks for your business. My car's on its way.
Alright. That's good. Okay, I'm nowhere. Where's my cab at, man? It's right mine. There it is. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm supposed to skip until we get to.
Where are you going?
Till I get to my house. So, yeah. What's up, y'all?
I'm on it.
Nothing hurry up. Let's see if I have cab ride. No, I won't I'll skip it, but. Put that in mention down below. Help me how it is that skipping the phone ride. I mean, it was kind of hard, but I can start driving it now. I'm gonna skip this. This takes forever. Alright, y'all, we are here at the garage. This is the garage right here. Make sure we show you. Yeah, I'll just wait for it to load. Yeah, I'm 18 here. Got my Phoenix. Got whatever car that is. Got whatever car that is. Yeah, here's my baby right here. That's the Dominator. And we don't know what it really is. It's the Mustang, Ford Mustang Cobra. Yeah, that's what that one is. I got this car. This car's actually really pretty slow. I thought so this thing. Alright, y'all, let's find more here. I don't think all the cars are in here.
Hello, this is Morse Mutual Insurance. Okay.
There you go. There's my Corvette right there. Nice Corvette. I call it the Bald Eagle. It's all white. And here is my. I don't know what this car is. Leave message below starting recording series. I don't know what it is off the point. Here's that runner car. Yeah, if you got 40 upgrades, yeah, that runner car's beast. Yeah, I went to Banshee Fence. We're gonna go to the other one now. Sorry about that, y'all. Camera fail again. It's bugging.